What if I told you that most people are not broke because they don't make enough money? They're broke because they don't have a system. In fact, someone earning $50,000 a year with a solid budget can often build more wealth than someone earning $100,000 who spends everything they make. Today, I'm going to show you the exact personal finance blueprint used by financially successful people to control their money, eliminate financial stress, and build long-term wealth. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a simple budget, how to save money consistently, how to avoid common financial mistakes, and how to start investing, even if you are starting with just $100. Let's get started. The biggest myth in personal finance is that budgeting restricts your life. Actually, budgeting gives you freedom. Think of your money like a GPS. If you don't tell it where to go, it ends up everywhere except your destination. Most people swipe their cards, pay bills, buy things they don't remember purchasing, then wonder why there's nothing left at the end of the month. The solution is simple. Know exactly what comes in, what goes out, and what's left over. Financial success begins with awareness. You cannot improve what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend, every coffee, every subscription, every online purchase. You will probably discover spending habits you didn't even realize existed. Let's talk about one of the easiest budgeting systems, the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your budget contains your needs, things like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. 30% contains your wants, things like entertainment, dining out, vacations, and hobbies. The remaining 20% contains your future, your savings, investing, and debt repayment. If you're struggling financially, don't focus on perfection. Focus on progress. Even if you start with 5% savings, 10% savings, or just $25 per month, you are building the habit, and habits create wealth, not luck, not timing, and not get-rich-quick schemes. Before investing heavily, you need an emergency fund. Why? Because life happens. Cars break down. Medical bills arrive. Jobs change. Without savings, emergencies become debt. A good starting goal is $1,000 for emergencies, then eventually build when able. This creates financial stability and peace of mind. Peace of mind is one of the best investments you can make. We linked a video from financial expert Dave Ramsey discussing the baby steps necessary to eliminating debt. This is for everyone. Debt does not discriminate, nor does financial freedom. Now let's talk about the part everyone gets excited about: investing. Many people believe they need thousands of dollars to start. That's simply not true. Imagine investing just $100. If that money grows consistently over decades, compound growth begins working for you. Compound growth means your returns earn more returns. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but over time it becomes enormous. The earlier you begin investing, the more powerful compound growth becomes. That's why starting now matters more than starting perfectly. Let's look at the habits that consistently show up among financially successful people. Habit number 1, they pay themselves first. Savings happens automatically, not if money is left over. Habit number 2, they avoid lifestyle inflation. Every raise doesn't become a spending increase. Instead, increase investments. Habit number 3, they think long-term. Successful people ask, will this decision help me 5 years from now? Habit number 4, they keep learning. Financial education compounds, just like investments. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built one decision at a time. Let's review. Today, we learned to track your spending, create a budget, build an emergency fund, invest consistently, strong money habits. To assist you in these matters, we've provided budgeting tool links in the description of this video. Remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built one decision at a time, one budget at a time, one investment at a time, and 1 month at a time. The best day to start was years ago. The second best day is today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Smart Society. Join us as we build a community of young minds. We'll see you in the next video.